Hi friends, on your request, we the AgriBiotech came back with one more new video, that is microbiology and its application. Friends, there are a lot of videos on YouTube on microbiology, but I bet you will not find anything better than us after watching this complete video. So watch the complete video. I request everyone please like this video and share it as much as possible because our motto is to deliver the study and share the knowledge to everyone who thinks that studies are not made for them. Please share it and help us to reach those students. So friends, let's start. I Ganesh Thakur welcomes you all on your channel AgriBiotech. Friends, microorganisms or microbes for short play a very important role in our lives. Some microbes cause diseases, but majority are completely harmless. In fact, we couldn't live without them, but they could live without us. So it becomes important to know what is microbes and what is microbiology. So let's see what is microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms and their activities. This include bacteria, archaea, viruses, fungi, prions, protozoa and algae, and these are collectively known as microbes. What we study in microbiology is concerned with the form, structure, metabolism, growth, reproduction and identification of microorganisms. And that's why it is microbiology, that is micro plus bio plus logos, in which micro means tiny or smaller, bio means life, and logos means study of. So, collectively, microbiology means study of tiny or small living organisms. It also includes the study of their distribution in nature, their relationship to each other and to other organisms. It is interesting to know that Antony van Leeuwenhoek designed and developed his own simple microscope, and using that he observed and experimented microscopic organisms in 1676. That's why he is considered as father of microbiology. If Leeuwenhoek is father of microbiology, then who is the father of biology? Can you tell me? If you know the answer, you can leave a comment. Now, let's see how microbes are beneficial for us and what is its application. So, first let's see application of microbiology in agriculture. Today, various microbes are used for controlling plant pests and diseases. It is used in the form of pesticides and herbicides. These microbes are called as biocontrol agents. And what is biocontrol agents? In simple, it may be bacteria, fungi, viruses and protozoans. Let's see some microbial pesticides and some host ranges which is used in agriculture. Bt. Yes, Bt, Bacillus thuringiensis. Short is Bt. Its host ranges are wax moth, caterpillars, larvae of Aedes, etc. Bt is used in the development of GM plants, that is genetically modified plants, for example Bt cotton. Second one is Beauveria bassiana. Its host ranges are aphids, mealybugs, mites, whiteflies, etc. And the third microbial pesticide is protozoans. Its host ranges are grasshopper, caterpillar, crickets and some corn borer. Now, let's see some microbes used as herbicides. Phytophthora palmivora, Alternaria crassa, Fusarium species. These are pathogenic fungi used as mycoherbicides, and Pseudomonas species, Xanthomonas species, Agrobacterium species. These are bacterial pathogens. Apart from this, some nitrogen fixing microbes such as Rhizobia, mycorrhiza, etc. are used as biofertilizer which enrich soil with nutrients. So, These all are about application of microbiology in agriculture. Now, let's see its application in various industries such as beverage industry, dairy industry, bakery industry, etc. First, let's see the application of microbiology in alcoholic beverage industry. A number of strain of yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, are used in industrial production and fermentation of wine, beer, whiskey, etc. In dairy industry, various products such as cheese, paneer, yogurt, buttermilk, etc. are obtained from milk using microbial species of Streptomyces, Penicillium, and Lactobacillus. In bakery industry, pure culture of Saccharomyces cerevisiae are mixed with bread dough to bring fluffiness, texture, and flavor in bread. In food supplement industry, various microbial proteins such as SCP, that is single cell protein, are produced by using dead and dried cell of microbes. These microbes include bacteria like Bacillus, fungi like species of Candida and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and algae like species of Chlorella. In vitamins and enzyme industry, vitamins are manufactured by fermentation technology using different microbial sources. Vitamin B12 is manufactured using microbe Pseudomonas denitrificans. Neurospora gossypi is used in manufacturing of vitamin B2 and Aspergillus niger in vitamin C. Various enzymes such as invertase manufactured from S. cerevisiae, pectinase from Sclerotiana libertine, lipase from Rhizopus species. After application of microbiology in industries, now come to the application of microbiology in medicine. Microbes have very wide range of application in medicines and pharmaceutical industries. Penicillin and various number of other antibiotics are used to control infectious diseases. Some common antibiotics and their sources are: first, chloromycetin. Chloromycetin, obtained and manufactured from Streptomyces venezuela. Erythromycin, obtained and manufactured from Streptomyces erythris. Third, penicillin, from Penicillium chrysogenum, and streptomycin from Streptomyces griseus. Nowadays, the use of microbes are emerging in the field of bioremediation to detoxify contaminants from soil and water. So, it becomes important to know the application of microbiology in bioremediation. Bioremediation offers an alternative to detoxify contaminants. Bioremediation is used as an effective means of mitigating pollutants such as hydrocarbons, halogenated organic solvent, halogenated organic compound, nitrogen compound, metals like lead, mercury, etc., non-chlorinated pesticides and herbicides, oil spills, and many more from soil and water. Some of the microbes involved in bioremediation are Arthrobacter, Burkholderia, Mycobacterium, Pseudomonas, Sphingomonas, and Rhodococcus. So friends, that is the importance of microbiology in our lives. That's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and suggestions, you can write us in comment box. We are always here to help you. Subscribe this channel and please share this video with all your friends and help us to reach to those students who think that study are not made for them. Thanks for watching. We will come back soon with one more new video. Stay with us. Jai Hind.